Write each statement as a math expression. Evaluate your expression. We have to do two things here. First, we have to write the math expression, then evaluate it. Part A, -5 subtracted from 2. The way this is worded implies that our expression is going to start with 2. Notice how it says subtracted from. That means we started with the number 2 and we subtracted, so there's a minus sign, -5. So what we're subtracting from 2 is the -5. So I already have a minus sign there for the subtraction, but then I have to have a parentheses to separate that negative sign on the 5. So this reads 2 minus -5, which is the same as having a -5 subtracted from 2. So because the word from is there, it implies that we're actually starting with the number 2 and then we're subtracting a -5. Again, notice how there's one sign for the subtraction and then another for the negative. Now that I have my expression, I can start to evaluate it. 2 minus -5 is the same as the addition problem, 2 plus the opposite of -5. So subtraction turns to addition, and we take the opposite of -5. And 2 plus 5 becomes 7. Part B, we can use division symbol or we can write it as a fraction bar. 24 divided by -3 or 24 over -3. Either one of those expressions is okay, and our final answer is -8 because it's a positive divided by a negative. Part C, the difference of 172 and 43. So difference implies that we are subtracting. So 172 minus 43. Off to the side I can show my work. And my final answer is 129. And part D, the product of 14 and -13. So product means multiplication. I can use the parentheses to show multiplication or the X to show multiplication. So I need to do 14 times 13, which is 182, but since I'm doing a positive times a negative, it's -182.